Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain WhatsApp business app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The WhatsApp business app is designed to make customer communication easier for small business. It gives you tools like automated greetings, quick replies, product catalog, and label to help organize conversation. You can also set up a proper business profile with your contact details, website, and hours, which make your business look more professional and trustworthy. For small shops, freelancers, or side hustle, it's simple and free way to stay connected with customers right where they already are or WhatsApp. So that said, the app also have some limit. It's not built for big teams since multiple staffs can't manage one account with different roles. Features like deep analytics, advanced automation, or integration with CRMs are missing unless you upgrade to the paid API version. Privacy and compliance can also be concerned, and some users report issues with sudden account restriction and slow support. So while it's great tools if you just want a simple and professional way to chat with your customers, bigger business or those needing more advanced features may quickly outgrow its performance. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.